Hello everybody, welcome to my class today. In our last class, I have discussed on wavy curve rule. So in my today's class, I will have some application of the knowledge that was discussed in the last class. Suppose we are asked to solve this inequation, say 7 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus 9 by x minus 3 plus 1 less than 0. First, we have to make this expression as a single rational expression. For this, we will proceed in this way. Our LCM is x minus 2 into x minus 3. Here it will be 7 plus 9 into x minus 2 plus, here it will be x minus 2 into x minus 3 less than 0. This will give us x square minus 5x plus 9x, that is plus 4x. Here it is plus 6 plus 7 plus 13 minus 18, that is minus 5. And here in the denominator we get x minus 2 into x minus 3 less than 0. Next, let us factorize the numerator and we will get x plus 5 into x minus 1. In the denominator we have x minus 2 into x minus 3 less than 0. Now our first duty is to locate the zeros of both numerator and denominator on the number line. So first 0 is minus 5, then 1, then 2, then 3. Then we have to exclude the zeros of the denominator from the solution. 2 and 3, they are deleted from the solution, and as this is less than 0, strictly less than 0, so no zeros will be included in the solution. So now let us take a value of x which is more than 3, say 4. So putting 4 here we get positive result. So we start our curve above the number line and draw in this way, and here all the exponents are odd, so there will be no bounds. There will be no bounds like this. Okay, less than 0. So here it is less than 0, here it is less than 0. Therefore the solution set is minus 5 1 union 2 3. This will be our solution set. Clear? Next, go to the next problem. Number 2. 1 by x minus 2 plus 1 by x minus 1 greater than 1 by x. Just follow how I am solving the problem. So this 1 by x will be brought on the left hand side. Always keep 0 on the right hand side. 1 by x greater than 0. Now your LCM will be x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Here it will be x into x minus 1 plus, here it will be x into x minus 2 minus, here it will be x minus 1 into x minus 2 greater than 0. Now x square, okay, x square 2x square minus x minus 2x, that is minus 3x. Here it will be minus x square minus 2x minus is minus 3x, so this will be plus 3x plus 2, this will be minus 2, whole divided by x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 greater than 0. Then we get x square, this is cancelled, minus 2 divided by x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 greater than 0. So factorize the numerator, we get x plus root 2 x minus root 2 divided by x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 greater than 0. Now locate all the zeros on number line. The leftmost zero is minus root 2. Minus root 2, then 0. 0. 0, then 1. Then root 2. 1, this is 2. Root 2 and then 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Take a value of x more than 2. Say 3. This is positive, this is positive. All of them is positive. So start drawing curve from above the number line. And here all the exponents are odd. 1, that is odd. So you have to cross all the points in this way. Achha, we have to remove the zeros of the denominator from the solution. This will be removed, this will be removed, this will be removed. And as it is greater than 0, so no zeros will be in the solution. So the solution set is greater than 0. Here minus root 2, 0, open, union 1 to root 2, union 2 to infinity. Okay. Next, go to the next example or problem. Number 3. 2x by x square minus 9 lesser equals to 1 by x plus 2. That implies 2x by x square minus 9 minus 1 by x plus 2 lesser equals 0. Then denominator will be x square minus 9 into x plus 2. This will be 2x square plus 4x minus x square plus 9 lesser equals 0. So we get x square plus 4x plus 9 divided by x plus 3, x minus 3, x plus 2 lesser equals 0. B square 16 minus this will have no real roots. So this will have no zeros. So we have the only zeros are minus 2, minus 3, 3. So let us write the numerator in this way. X plus 2 whole square plus 5. The denominator is x plus 3, x minus 3, x plus 2 lesser equals 0. So here our zeros are minus 3, minus 2, then 3. And all of them will be excluded from the solution because they are zeros of the denominator. And the numerator has no zeros, no real zeros. Now take a point more than 3, say 4. This is positive, this is positive. So start drawing graph above the number line. Cross 3 because odd power are there. 3, then minus 2, then minus 3, and just go on. Lesser equals to 0. Solution set is this part, that is minus infinity to minus 3, open, union minus 2 to 3. Okay. Next, number 4. Two into x minus 4 divided by x minus 1, x minus 7 greater equal to 1 by x minus 2. This is our problem. Just proceed similarly. it will give you 2 into x minus 4 divided by x minus 1 x minus 7 minus 1 by x minus 2. This is greater or equal to 0. So here LCM is x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 7. This will be 2x minus 8 minus x minus into x minus 7, that is x square minus 8x plus 7 greater or equal to 0. So you get minus x square, then plus 8x plus 2x, that is plus 10x, minus 7 minus 8, that is minus 15, whole divided by x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 7 greater or equal to 0. So multiplying both sides by minus 1, we get x square minus 10x plus 15 divided by x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 7. This will become lesser or equal to 0. Now 10 square is 100 minus 60 40, and this will have a root but not a Bhadra root. X square minus 10x, that is minus 2 into x into 5 plus 5 square 25, that is minus 10 divided by x minus 1 x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 7 lesser or equal to 0, that is x minus 5 whole square minus root 10 whole square by x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 7 lesser or equal to 0, that is you get x minus 5 plus root 10 x minus 5 minus root 10 divided by x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 7 lesser or equal to 0. Let me check again the calculation whether I am correct or not. Minus 8x plus 7 minus x square plus 10x minus 15 x plus 15, okay, 25 minus 10 15, okay. So here the zeros are, I am writing zeros here first. 1 0 is 5 minus root 10, next 0 is 5 plus root 10, then 1, then 2, then 7. 5 minus root 10, that is positive. 5 plus root 10 positive. These are all positive. 5 minus root 10, this will be root 10 means 3 point something, to 5 minus 3 point something, that is 1 point something, more than 1. Okay. So let us plot in this way. First 0 will be 1, leftmost. 1 point something, that is then 5 minus root 10, then 2, then 5 plus root 10, that will be more than 7, because root 9 is 3, 8.9, then 5 plus root 10. This is very important to arrange the zeros on number line from leastmost to highestmost. If you take x equals to say 10, this will be positive all. So start drawing curve from here, 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 here. Again lesser equals 0. Lesser equals 0. So solution set will be 5 minus root 10, this will be, here the excluded zeros are 1, 2 and 7. So 5 minus root 10 will be closed. 2 open, lesser equals 0. So union, then 7 open, and 5 plus root 10 closed. Okay, this is our fourth one and the last one of this class. Let us solve this one. Say 2 into x minus 3, 2 into x minus 3 divided by x into x minus 6 lesser equals to 1 by x minus 1. Procedure will be same. Two x minus 6 x into x minus 6 minus 1 by x minus 1 lesser equals 0. That implies LCM is x into x minus 1 into x minus 6. This will be 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 1 minus x into x minus 6 lesser equals 0. This will be 2 into x square minus 4x plus 3 minus x square minus 6x whole divided by x into x minus 1 into x minus 6 lesser equals 0. This will be 2x square minus x, that is x square minus 8x plus 6x, that is minus 2x plus 6 okay, divided by x into x minus 1 into x minus 6 lesser equals 0. That is ultimately we get x minus 1 whole square plus 5 x into x minus 1 into x minus 6 lesser equals 0. So the numerator has no zeros. This is our number line. Plot the zeros 0, 1, then 6. Everyone should be excluded from the solution set because they are zeros of the denominator. Lesser, more than 6, 7, positive. Start drawing in this way, in this way, in this way. Now lesser equals 0. So solution set minus infinity to 0 open, union 1 to 6 open. This will be solution set. Okay. So let us complete this video here. In my next video I will discuss on inequations involving modular sign. Okay, bye.